yung alaga mo. Kasi gumagawa ako ng flower. Tapos ilalagay ko dun sa plastic. Siya na yung pumasok dun sa plastic. Oh my gosh. What are you doing there, honey? You see? She broken all. Oh. No, it's very ugly. Why are you going? Stay inside the plastic? Hi. Come on here. That is not your house. Okay, ginawa niya. Nilalagyan ko ng flower ko eh. Uy. Come on. Pag binigyan ko yan